What it do? What it do? What it do? Sorry about that. I went to sign into my computer, and my computer decided that it wanted to do a update. You gotta love when that happens. Let's do an update. Okay, perfect, awesome, great. So, what's poppin'? What it do? What it do? What it do? We are live. A little Sunday afternoon. Little Sunday afternoon action. Right now, the NASDAQ pulling back here after the 6 p.m. open. I think maybe this 81 area, maybe a little bouncy bounce there. We'll see. Kind of right now, down there to the 85s. Can we get down there to the 81s? Maybe, baby. Right back up there now. JK. Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart here, we just opened up 6 p.m. Good morning, good morning. Well, hold on. Good afternoon, sorry. I'm so used to saying good morning. Good evening, sorry. Good evening. It is 6 p.m. here. The market squeezing right back up there off of the 80s right now, off the 88s, back up there to the 90s. The ES pushing back up nicely here. Both the ES and the NASDAQ trying to get back up right where we opened at. So we basically opened right here at this 93 level, and the ES, the NASDAQ, both popping up. The dollar selling off right now. Normally the 6 p.m. open can give us some setups here, but we'll see kind of what happens here today. Give it a little bit of time. Kind of thinking that this 81 level needs to kind of hold support there for the bulls. If we can't hold that 81, well, then we're in trouble. So right now, the NASDAQ, the ES, both just kind of chop around here since open. So we'll see how she plays. If you guys didn't check out the video over the weekend, made a video talking about the new Patrick Wieland LuxAlgo free indicator, the market flow trend lines and liquidity. That's live on the channel if you want to check that out. Right now, the dollar, the ES, both just in kind of a range here. We'll see if we get an actual direction here or not. I think that 80 area, below 80, market's in trouble. Keeps holding here at the 80s. We should try to push up here and at least get back above the 90s and that 100 level up there on the 15-minute chart you can see right now. So still kind of holding up here. The dollar down at the lows. The ES and NASDAQ just basically right here where we opened up, and not much of a move yet. We're here today just to kind of do a little kind of hangout session. I didn't have anything going on tonight, so I was like, well, might as well go live and talk about kind of I don't know what's going on this week. So right now, the NASDAQ back above the 90s there. So we're holding there at the 80s. We've got some numbers coming. Well, we got a lot of numbers coming out this week, actually, like an absolute massive amount of numbers coming out here. So if you look, pulling it up here, number-wise, what do we have? We got a lot of numbers this week, my friends. A lot of numbers. So right here, what do we got? Monday, we've got this 10-year auction note, 10-year note auction, which has been pretty eventful lately. It's been a big mover lately. We've had some big movers with these bond note auctions. So that's tomorrow. What is that, 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock tomorrow. We've got some news on Tuesday with the core CPI. We've got CPI report there on 8:30. We got a 30-year bond auction show a lot of numbers this week. So yeah, a lot of numbers going on. We'll see. You can see time-wise kind of when those are playing, and it should be an eventful week. So we got Tuesday CPI report. We got the PPI CPI report there on Wednesday 8:30 in the morning, and then we've got the FOMC statement, the press conference, economic projections, the interest rate decision there on Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, lots of data, lots of action. And then Thursday, we've got more initial jobless claims and core retail sales. So a lot of numbers coming out this week. we'll see. We'll see how she plays. Right now, the ES pushing up there to the 609s and pulling back here right now. And the NASDAQ up there kind of at the 90s right now. No real movement right here so far. So we're kind of just staying up here. Like I said, as long as we stay up here, I think above the 80s, we'll try to kind of push, maybe test that 100 level there. The dollar is selling straight off right now. So dollar showing a lot of weakness here. We'll see if the NASDAQ can get through kind of this 94, 95 level. Yeah, dollar straight down right now. So that should give some relief here for the NASDAQ to try to push up here and break to the upside here through kind of like 95 to the hundreds. Dollar still just straight down here. The ES trying to get above the 10s, that 4,000, 4,610, 4610 area for the ES to get through there. And right now, like I said, dollar kind of selling off. So if you guys want to learn more about the market flow, I keep talking about it, people keep asking in the chat, but the LuxAlgo market flow trend lines and liquidity indicator, as you see here it is. It's free on TradingView, by the way. It's free on TradingView to check it out. If you're wanting it, good time to check it out right now too, as well, as the market's not really making any crazy moves here. You can check it out, see how it's going. So yeah, that's basically the setup that I have right now. This is what you're seeing, the indicator, the 93s getting pushed right through there now. And the market, a little pushback up there above the 90s. That's what we were thinking we would see right there, kind of holding the 80s down there. The dollar, I want to show you guys, people are always asking me, like, why do I look at the dollar, right? As you can see here, the dollar showing weakness, right? Dollar showing weakness. Look what happens. The ES, the NASDAQ, push back up. Even though we had that kind of fake out to the downside here at open, look what's happening now. We're getting that move back up here. Look at that. Through the 96s, like I said, that kind of 100 level. The 15-minute chart had support kind of down here, the low of that candle right there, 81. We got to a low of 82. So Sunday night buyers kind of stepping in there and getting those kind of front running that 81 level. So yeah, let's go. I have a feeling that this week could be pretty bullish. I don't know. I don't want to jinx anything, but for some reason I feel like these numbers are going to come out and the market's going to go to the moon. Santa Claus rally, man. Historically, Santa Claus rally, it hits and the fucking market goes to the moon. We'll see. Right now, the market going to the moon. The dollar down here. We had a dollar move down. The NASDAQ back up there above the 90s. Was thinking we could push up there towards that 100 level. The high on that candle right there, 99.25. The 15-minute chart, you got to love it. You got to love it. I will not be live tomorrow at 9 a.m. I will be live. I'm going to do an afternoon session, probably like 2 p.m. 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. tomorrow. I'm going fishing in the morning. So there's the move back to the hundreds. Let's go. Whippy, whippy, whippy. I'm still trading the December contract. No reason to change until the next contract starts getting better, more volume on it. Right now, still more volume on the December contract. If you guys got questions right now, the time is now to ask your questions. We're live. We're doing it. All right, all right. Pretty uneventful kind of open here so far. We did get a little breakout. I think there's kind of room to get above the hundreds here, and then we could test kind of that, I don't know how, like 10 to 20 area. With the dollar still selling, we need the dollar to keep showing weakness to get through the 100 area there on the NASDAQ. Oh, and then we'll get excited. Right now, the 15-minute chart there. The little 1-minute chart, kind of an inverse bear flag, getting the break to the upside there. The bulls pushing higher there. Up there to the hundreds now, so. Why is Topstep TV so hard to watch? You know, they're new to it. They're getting it figured out. Oh my God. Did we just go straight to the 115s? What the fuck? Someone just got squeezed. Yeah, they pushed it above that 100 level and just fucking ran it. Like I said, kind of that. I was thinking like this kind of like one up there into the maybe like up into like 10s, but we went right to the 15s there. 1450. The high there on Friday was 1875. The high right there 1750. So, can you trade Topstep futures right now? Yes, you can. Wow, that was insane. People are making money right now. Let's go. Silver 4K from the 100 to the 15s. You know, I don't want to say I told you so, but I mean, the indicator did give us the signal. We were above the 14 EMA. We broke out through this trend line right there, and we ran 20 points to the upside. 20 points to the upside. Oh, man. Yes, you can trade. You can trade right now with Topstep. Correcto. I'm up to about 750 right now. Just trading the express funded accounts. Small size here on a Sunday. 3 accounts. $255 in each account for a grand total of $750. What is the indicator called? I don't. Do you guys not subscribe to my channel? People asking about what this indicator is. The LuxAlgo market flow, trend lines, and liquidity. It's there, my friends. It's real. It's happening. Yeah, I don't know about this now. This is a little wild. That was a big move for a fucking just random I don't know. This is just a 15-point pop right there out of nowhere. And then right back down. So the problem now is we do have all that resistance there from Friday, obviously. A lot of resistance at this level. It is Sunday night. Not expecting we're going to, unless we just somehow just keep on going. I don't mean I'm trying to think like, I'm looking online to see if there's any news or anything that I'm missing right here. I don't see anything right now. Market's still pushing above the 100 area. Is there a video on your indicator? Yes. Yes, there is. Do you have an email for business inquiries? I do, but I don't know what kind of business you're trying to sell me. If it has to do with trying to help me get more followers, trying to help me with new thumbnails, trying to help me with anything at all, probably not interested, to be honest. I get like 20 emails a day from people offering services that I don't need. The ES is definitely showing more strength here. ES definitely showing more strength right now. The NASDAQ still above this 100 level through the 107s now. Dollar looking weak here. If you guys haven't hit that like button, blow up the like button. Let's get some more likes here on the stream. I'll post the link because I saw someone try to post a link for the new video, but you can't post a link unless you're me. Hey. Wow. Market's still pushing here. There's a link there in the chat. You are becoming addicted to trading. It's 6 o'clock on a Sunday. I had nothing going on, and I'm going fishing in the morning, so I thought it would be fun to do a little live stream for an hour. Just a little hustle, a little bustle, baby. Make some money today. We're up $750. Let's go. No football today for me. The ES still pushing. The NASDAQ, as long as the NASDAQ, I think, stays above the 100 level, she wants to go. Are you anticipating any trades? We took a trade earlier through the 100 level up there through that 15s. I heard ICT got into the Robins. Well, good thing the bet is not him getting into the Robins. The bet was for him to win the Robins. What was my first job? I delivered pizzas in high school. Yeah, buddy. Making that money, slinging pizzas. Did some valet for a while. Worked in construction for my dad, and then I started filming and traveling the world. Right now, the problem is we're a little far off of the 14 EMA. I don't know. I've been trying to really force myself, to only enter trades near the 14 EMA. If you look here at the 2-minute chart, it's like, look at pretty much every good move. There's a bounce off of the 14 EMA at some point, right? Like, it's almost every fucking time. I mean, it's like, this is like from Friday when we pushed off the 14 EMA. Like, if I'm looking for a breakout here, do I want to buy at 93 or do I want to buy at 63? Even here, Friday, 9:30, we break out to the upside. Look what happens. We squeeze up. Guess what? We pull back to the 14 EMA. So it's like, do I want to try to buy the breakout here or do I want to try to buy the breakout there? You know what I mean? So, I don't know. Something to think about. It gives you a little bit more, it's a little bit more patience, knowing that there's probably going to be a better opportunity here, right? Like, look at this setup here. Basically, we break out. We didn't actually. The high there is 26. High there is 18, 50, equal high. So realistically, we didn't make a new high on any of these candles right here. We pull back. We go lower. We did not make a new high. We finally made a new high, or we kind of broke above this previous candle after what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. And then look at that move there. Above the 16,000s all the way up for 100 points. 100 points right there. So, little lesson. Wait for that 14 EMA, baby. Right now, we're looking at the 2-minute chart. I found that the 2-minute chart is really good for this indicator that I've been really kind of, I guess, using a lot lately. The 3-minute chart's a little too delayed for this indicator, to be honest. There's there's pretty good setups on it, but I think, like, if you see here, You got the buy signal on the first 3-minute candle on this one. It breaks out, it pulls back. It finally does make a move higher. If we go to the 2-minute chart and look at that same setup there, you got, I guess, you got the buy signal there, but we never made a new low below those candles. So I don't know. I think the 2-minute chart's a little bit better for these for the breakout indicator that I've been using a bunch. The ES, the NASDAQ, both pulling back here. Like I said, trying to be a little bit more patient. I took a trade there earlier. Made a little bit of money here. Both the ES and NASDAQ, both off of the 14 EMA right now. The dollar looking weak. Dollar looking weak, and we'll see. Yeah, LuxAlgo makes some great indicators, even the free ones. So big fan of those guys. Dollar looking dumpy here. If the dollar dumps, NASDAQ goes the moon. I think we would at least try to run that kind of high on this candle. If we keep pushing up here. I just feel like that high, those highs from Friday are sitting there. Maybe we test them and then we move back down. I mean, are we going to really just do on a Sunday? I don't know. Is the indicator final, or will there be more more adjustments? There's always going to be more stuff coming. Don't you worry. I'm actually working on kind of building even more stuff with him in the future. So we'll see. Exciting either way. Yeah, the Dolphins are on a tear right now. That's for sure. How many contracts would I advise is starting with on a new 150 XFA? Well, you can only trade with 3 contracts to begin with. You got to scale up on the XFA. So I guess it's up to you, isn't it? What do I think is better, the $150,000 or the $50,000 Topstep account? Well, you know, I might be partial. Obviously, I'm a partner with Topstep, but if you think about it, like if you really think about it right now, looking at the kind of looking at Topstep here. There's a link there in the chat if you guys want to learn more about Topstep. But basically how it works there, you sign up. Right now, the deal for the $150,000 account is $149. The biggest difference, really, at the end of the day, is the amount of contracts you can trade in the maximum loss. So you think about it, it's like basically for the $50,000 account, you get a $2,000 max loss. The $150,000 account, you get a $4,500 max loss. So you're getting double the max loss. Obviously, it's a higher price. Look at the NASDAQ, still fucking going up to the 12s now. So I think the $150,000 account is the best bang for your buck, especially at $149. But obviously, that comes down to the way you're looking for. So that's my personal kind of take on it. I think I don't like the $100,000 account at all. I think the $100,000 account just makes no sense, really. Like if you're looking for value, you go for the 50K. If you're looking for the best bang for your buck, you're looking at 150,000. Is there any point in buying the 100,000? Probably not. That's just the way I look at it. Especially right now, with the price being so cheap. It's so cheap. Japanese, 21,000 yen. Australia, $226. Damn. What is it in, what else we got? Canada, everyone, just bam, expensive. Mexico, $2,000. What's the most expensive one? Oh, look at this one. 559,000, baby. $595,000. COP. What's COP? Colombian peso. Wow. So there we go. Back up. This is what I was kind of worried about here. We tested that high again there at the 12s. I just feel like we're not going to have the strength on a Sunday. You know, it's not even London. It's not even Asian. It's just a regular Sunday open right now. And I just feel like it's going to take more volume, more action to get through Friday's high up there. Just kind of the way I'm thinking right now. I don't know. That's how I feel. That's how I feel about it, you know? That's how I feel. Yeah, I'm still looking at the December contracts. Still trading on December contracts currently. I won't change over till the March contracts until probably maybe middle of next week, depending on the volume on that contract. Can you change a Topstep or they automatically change the contracts? Depends on the platform that you're using. What happened to Nutty? Haven't heard from him in a while. I don't really know what happened. I mean, he's just doing his thing over there and being unimportant like always. That's what he's doing. Being insignificant like normal. He thought that stepping in the ring with Mike Tyson would, you know, blow up his YouTube channel, but it just did not work. Is trading your highest stream of income? No, mostly my OnlyFans. Feet pics, baby. That's how I make most of my money. You thought I paid for the boat by trading? No. Feet pics did that for me. I'm actually looking at buying a new boat. I want to get a bigger boat, 42 foot. Right now I got a 36 foot. So thinking about heading over, getting a 42 foot Freeman. Quad Mercury's on the back. Time to step it up, boys. Did you hear Danny Trades call you out on Topstep TV? Yeah, I've heard everybody call me out. There, you know, again, you know, it's like when fucking Conor McGregor got called out and he was like, "Who the fuck is that guy?" And I feel the same way. You know, if somebody wants to fucking call me out and I have no idea, like, who the fuck's that guy? I don't give a fuck. Do you keep it out of slip on the water or just load it up? I live on the water. I got a house on the water, so the boat's in the backyard on the water. Right now, the NASDAQ pulling back here into the hundreds again. Like I said, kind of worried about, like, are we really going to push through that Friday high? We're right here at that Friday high. We had this big pop up there. We kind of grinded back up and not looking so hot there, so. How much more expensive is it to live on the water? It's definitely not cheaper, that's for sure. I don't really know how much more expensive, but I'd say it's definitely like double the price, maybe. I would love to go and fish the Bisbee contest competition in the future. We'll see. Just got to make more money. I got to make $1 million a month. If I make $1 million a month, then I'll be doing whatever the fuck I want. I've been paying myself salary through my S Corp. I pay myself around $50,000 a month from the S Corp, and it's crazy. I literally pay. I mean, I'm like leaving. I'm like, what do you call it? Doing maximum fucking withholdings and shit, but I pay more in taxes than I get paid on my paycheck. I don't get that. I don't understand that. My taxes I got paid, I'll get paid on Monday, and I'll get paid $10,000, and my taxes are like literally like $14,000. How's that work? Is there a chance you could add one more moving average to the indicator? You could do that if you wanted to, pretty easily. You need a new accountant. Well, not really. Well, think about it like this. So I make over $300,000 a month through the business. I pay myself $50,000, and then I pay taxes on the $50,000. So that way, at the end of the year, I get a disbursement from the S Corp. I don't pay self-employment taxes. It seems like I'm paying a lot in taxes, but if you actually look at the numbers, it's a little different. Why don't you move country for taxes? Well, unfortunately, I don't know. Yeah, with Topstep, they get paid $10.99. Is the boat a write-off? Oh, yeah. Everything's a write-off, baby. All right, the NASDAQ pulling back here. Trouble up at the highs. Kind of like we were expecting. Good thing I did not try to chase that thing. Like I said, needed to really get that pullback here into the 14 EMA. And look what happened. Yeah, I think I'm on track to make $3 million this year. But I need next year, I got to make $1 million a month. I got some big plans for next year. Got some big plans, baby. Big shit popping. Is it better to do an LLC or an S Corp if when making money? It just really depends on your business structure. I have an S Corp. What do you do to make $3 million? My OnlyFans, basically. How much from trading? I make no money from trading. Only feed picks. The ES, the NASDAQ, both pulling back here into the 14 EMA there. Do you still have a full-time job? Between you know, going live on YouTube, going fishing, and all the other stuff that I do, I don't have time to have a full-time job. Yeah, it's hard. It's tough around here. It's tough around here. We pulled back into the 14 EMA now. The dollar got stuck in a range here, and the ES bounced right off the 14 EMA there on the 3-minute chart. If we look at the 3-minute chart here, we should be right there at that 14 EMA there. So could you compare between moment trade and long-term, mid-term stocking? I mean, which is best for you? If you want to get rich quick. Trade the momentum, baby. All in. CPI report. Get long before CPI report and fucking close your eyes, baby. Either get rich or die trying. I mean, this is obviously a day trading channel, so we're focused on momentum. We're focused on trading. You know. Could I add you as a mentor in my Discord where you charge for one-on-one trading? No. I ain't got no fucking time for that shit. I'm making $20,000 on average per day right now. How much am I going to charge for one-on-one trading? I don't even do one-on-one trading in my own community. Think about that. Why y'all so worried about how I make $20,000 per day? You know, if you don't believe me, don't believe me. It's okay. It's okay. I don't actually make $20,000 per day. What's $300,000 if I, yeah, only 10, well, because Saturday and Sundays I don't, you know, I'm saying like on a good day, let's see how that averages out. Let's do the math here. Yeah, it's like $10,000 Saturday and Sundays. Yeah, I have the Market Flow Trader community. I do the trading. I have the YouTube. I've got all kinds of stuff going on, my friends. And the market just kind of chopping around here. I think it's probably not a good idea to do anything right now. I mean, I do make, you know, I do have $20,000 days trading sometimes. Not every fucking day, but sometimes it happens. You guys have seen it. Topstep TV has legitimized it. They've called it out, promoted it. What's the board with remote control? That's a E-foil. That's a lift E-foil. Do you scuba dive? Only butt snorkeling. I mean scuba diving. Michael, what initiated the drastic change from living in Pupukea and driving a Subaru to now? Well, when I lived in Pupukea, I had a Raptor. And then I sold the Raptor because I wanted to buy a new truck. And at the time, a girl that I knew had a Subaru. So I bought the Subaru from her so that I could drive it for like a month before buying a new truck. It wasn't that I was like obsessed with a fucking Subaru. It was just kind of, it was perfect timing. This girl was leaving the island. She literally was like, I'll sell you my car for $3,000. And I was like, sick. And I just bought it. It kind of like happened randomly. And the drastic change is I moved back to Florida where I'm from. That's the drastic change. Do you ever trade crude oil? I do not. What's your story in trading? How you started with it and how you build yourself up? I mean, there's tons of videos on my YouTube channel talking about all that fun stuff. So you can check it out there. Why not move to zero tax state? I guess I like America. I don't know. How much did you make in your first year of trading? I don't think I made any money in the first year of trading. No, I definitely didn't. What moved you back to Florida? I just wanted to move back to where I'm from and wanted to fucking go fishing and do shit that I've always done, you know? When I moved to Hawaii, it wasn't to live in Hawaii forever. It was to, you know, kind of move to Hawaii and do the Hawaii thing for a little bit and then see what was next. Possible breakout looking thingy here, but still just, if it was like a normal, you know, if this was like a Monday morning and it was fucking 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, I would probably be buying this breakout through this level. But since it's Sunday afternoon here, I'm probably not going to be buying this breakout. But if the market, you know, the market wanted to go, it wants to go. When am I going to get married? I don't know. We'll find out. How do you stop over trading? Best thing you do is just walk the fuck away. That's the best thing to do, probably. What's the biggest fish that I've caught? 317 pounds. Swordfish. I'm like flirting with the idea of trying to buy this breakout, but I just don't really know how much upside potential there is here. Dollar's still looking weak right now, but I don't love it. I normally never trade Sunday afternoon because of this exact reason. I mean, we're just basically moving around. I mean, that was a pretty good breakout, to be honest. But right now, just not sure we have much more room to go here. Did I go fishing today? I did not go fishing today. I went on the boat, went for a cruise. I've never caught a marlin. I mean, we're pretty much just sitting here right there where we opened at. I mean, I guess about 6 points higher, but this is that key level, that 100 area right now, trying to hold up there. The ES, the NASDAQ, both kind of looking indecisive here. Look at the dollar right now. The dollar bouncing here off of the 14 EMA. Have you ever caught a mahi-mahi? Yes, I have. Who was that woman on your boat this morning? She was looking good. I guess you could say my girlfriend. She's my girlfriend. I need to fix this, actually. So right now we're looking at the LuxAlgo price action concepts indicator here on the dollar. You can see the trend lines being drawn out there. We had this little fair value gap down here. We had this trend line at open, and the dollar right now trying to break out here. So that's what I don't want to see. I don't want to see the dollar, you know, like looking like it wants to break out to the upside right here. If the dollar was like down here at the bottom of this channel and looking like it wanted to break to the downside, then I might be a little bit more excited for getting long on the NASDAQ. But you can see the dollar kind of put in that higher low right there for now. So did I get any action during the mullet run? No, not really. I don't really do any kind of fishing that has to do with mullets. Do you find Theo Vaughn funny? I do. He's pretty funny. He definitely pisses some people off, that's for sure. How to tell your girlfriend that you're not rich from trading, but she found your YouTube channel and seeing you make this much? I didn't really tell her at all. I just told her I was the #1 trader on YouTube. You know, she actually asked me the other day, she goes, are there other traders? Like, how'd you get that rank? And I said, well, honey, It's undisputed. I claimed it, and nobody else has ever disputed it. So it's basically it's I win. ICT is number one. That's literally the biggest joke I've ever heard in my life. ICT is just a little fucking Santa Claus looking motherfucker. That's all ICT is. I don't hate ICT. I just like laughing at the people that think that ICT is the number one trader in the world when he doesn't actually even trade real money and make money from trading. I'm the number one day trader on YouTube, right? That's a difference. Like, I'm not claiming to be the number one trader in the fucking world. Like, I'm not claiming that next year I'm going to make 11,000% return. Like, that's a big difference here, right? Like, I'm not saying that next year I'm going to beat the fucking record and make 11,000% return. I'm saying, like, hey, I'm the number one fucking day trader on YouTube, right? Like, that's kind of funny. Like, you know? You know? Do you show numbers? Number one trader on YouTube? Yeah. Look at the numbers right here. Look, 16,101, 16,104, 16,108. The numbers are shown every day. Traders evolve is better. Yeah. Tell him to work on his mustache. It's looking real weak. He hasn't hit puberty yet. I don't know. I got nothing to say about Danny Trades, to be honest, because he's insignificant to me. Like what? I don't know what to say. That's all I think about it. I'm in the fucking Premier League. He's in the fucking... I mean, what's the worst league in the soccer world? What's the worst? I don't even know. What the fuck? What's like what champions? What's the worst fucking league? I don't even know. Whatever the worst league in, that's where he's at. I'm in the fucking Premier League, all right? I'm fucking Messi. I'm over here dropping bombs every day. Who is the worst day trader on YouTube? Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't want to start dropping names. Why do you guys always got to come in here and start asking me about people? Why? Like, what do you do? What do you got? The MLS, yeah, fucking, I don't know. Hey, I don't fucking, why y'all got to always be coming up here trying to, like, oh, what do you think about this person? What do you think about this person? I think Dave FX is the biggest scam on YouTube. 100%. The dude is a joke. Like, 100%, he's a fucking joke. Ghost T, numbers means year's trading stats. Not a single winning day, losing day, but trading record. I posted a video very recently posting my trading stats, but you didn't watch it clearly. Do you swear all the time? Only between 12 a.m. and 12 p.m. Hey, Pat, do you reach out to other traders that are on your level or maybe even making more from just trading? You don't have to say names. I don't give a fuck about what any other trader is doing, to be honest. I don't watch other trader YouTube channels to learn how to trade or... Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, oh yeah. I guess I would say Tory Trades is the worst trader on YouTube. That would be... Tory Trades definitely wins the number one worst trader on YouTube. 100%. Humble Trader is the #1 trader. Come on. Fucking love that girl. Yeah, I mean, Nutty Bar is pretty bad as well, but I think Nutty Bar might be a little bit better than Tory Trades, to be honest. Tory Trades the other day said that she had never blown up an account. Well, the truth is she blew up her Topstep account trading corn. Why is she lying to everybody? Why is she lying to everybody? I don't understand. Why lie about it? Like, why even like claim that? Like, that's like Dave FX. Dave FX says he never loses money. He never has a red trade. He never has a red day. He literally says that. Dave FX has claimed that he never has red days. Never. What the fuck? What is that? Like, what is that? What is that? Like, why even make that claim? I don't understand it. I don't even make it. When are you getting a hair transplant? I mean, what are you in fucking Canada? Like that right there, like that coming from you from Canada, like I don't even give a fuck. Like you paid me $2 to make a joke about my hair transplant. Like you live in Canada. You live in Canada, and that just says everything about you right then and there. So I'm not worried about it. Thanks for the $1. I'm going to do stand-up, actually. 2024 Patrick Wieland World Tour stand-up. The NASDAQ still chopping around here. Back up to the 104s. Just a little breakout. We're going sideways. We just broke out there. What the fuck's the dollar doing? Dollar looking a little weaker here. Starting to move back down. Oh, fuck. I'm not going to buck with it. I know that I'm going to trade tomorrow afternoon. I think there's going to be good opportunities tomorrow afternoon here. But I'm already up 750 on the day, so no point in doing anything stupid. I like to make easy money, not hard money. Easy money, not hard money, please. I like that easy money, not the hard money, please. I will not be trading tomorrow morning. I'm going fishing early in the morning. That's not even a tank of gas for the boat. That's the problem. 500 gallons to fill up the boat, and the boat, it's right now $4.59. How much is that? I gotta do math. 500 times 459. That's $2,200 fucking dollars to fill up the boat. Fuck me. My favorite is when people come and they like say like they're gonna pitch in on gas. Like, hey, Patrick, I want to come fishing with you. I'll help out with the gas. I'm like, well, it costs $2,000. How long does it last? It just depends on how much we fish, how far we go. I might fill up twice a week, depending on how much we're fishing. If we're fishing every day, definitely using a lot of that. I don't go fishing for food. I go fishing because I fucking want to swing my big dick around. People are like, Patrick, you know you can go buy fish from the supermarket. I'm like, yeah. I don't even keep the fish that we catch. We literally catch and release. That's how stupid we are. Come on. All right, we got the breakout here. This is what I was thinking would happen, but I just don't think there's like a ton of upside here. And I don't really want to sit here and I don't want to sit here all day long and watch this thing barely move. Do you get signal where you fish at? It just depends, really. Also, gas on the water is way more expensive than on... It's a lot more expensive on the water than it is from like a car, obviously. I was flirting with the idea of getting long here, but I just I don't know. What we did prove here is that our little yellow line, it works. It literally works. You see that? It fucking works, man. First candle to make a new high. on the 3-minute chart, back to the 14 EMA. So first candle was both of these candles, same high. This candle, same high. So 102.25, 102.25, 102.25. So these 3 candles right here, this was the breakout candle. First candle to make a new high, and then here we are, 5 points. Where's Lambo Raul at? He's in the chat? No way. Where's he at? Where's he at? Does the market flow trader course cover your trading style? Well, it definitely does not cover it. That's for sure. Do I use various take profits or just get out all at once? Normally I just get out all. I get out all at once. How does the course compare to ICT? Well, seeing that ICT never makes money trading, and I've actually made money trading, I guess it's up to you. You take it how you want. You can decide. Who do you want to learn from? You want to learn from the guy who's never made money trading or the guy who's actually made money trading? I don't know. It's up to you. Why are Americans so woke? I don't know, Randy. Why are you so woke? They're brainwashed. The government has brainwashed most of the Americans to believe that fucking Santa Claus is real and COVID vaccine will keep you safe. Ask yourself, why did ICT leave YouTube? He didn't leave YouTube. He's still posting videos on YouTube every fucking week. What are you talking about? He's got to keep that YouTube revenue coming in, man. Got to keep making money. Got to pay the bills. Yeah, no, ICT is still on YouTube. He's not going to quit YouTube. He's got to keep making money. Come on now. He can't make money trading. What's he going to do? You all are silly. Yeah, I mean, look at this shit. He's literally been posting videos every fucking day. Just more demo trades. Literally just fucking demo trade executions. Like, it's all just demo trades, and people eat this shit up. He loves it. Got 84,000 views to watch him trade on a demo trade. Like, it's such bullshit. Like, it's literally it's just fucking hilarious. He said he's gonna walk away from social media, but he's posting videos every day on YouTube. Literally, I mean, come on. Nobody actually believes this shit. Literally, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 6 days ago, 9 days ago, 10 days ago. Come on. Come on, people. Santa Claus is not real. I hate to break your fucking dreams, but it don't work. It ain't that easy. It ain't that easy. All right, so like I said, I'm worried that there ain't gonna be no room to run higher here, and it looks exactly like I was worried. Join the Robins, and then let's see you out trade them. I don't give a fuck about the Robins. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I'm calling bullshit. You can say whatever you want, and that's what I'm gonna say. $250,000. $250,000 bet that ICT will not win the Robins Cup. That's all, you know. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. The dollar is dumping right now. The NASDAQ's pushing back up here. Fucking A. Dollar made a new low here. NASDAQ should try to push through that high, I'd say. Or not through this high, but maybe up here to the 10s or so. We still got that Friday high that's not been touched up there. So look at the dollar right now. Dollar straight down here. Dollar just dumping. I think some news must have came out here at 7 or something. Something must have happened. Some kind of something. Yeah, Japan had their had some numbers come out from Japan. So manufacturing conditions in Japan. We got lots of news tomorrow as well. Well, only one, actually not that much news. The biggest news tomorrow is going to be a 10-year note auction. So we'll see how that plays out. I think I'm going to walk away, not play around with this market right now, and I'll be back probably tomorrow afternoon. I'm going to go trade. I'm going to go fishing in the morning, and then I'll probably trade the afternoon session, 2 o'clock. So I'll do a live stream tomorrow at 2, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Little Sunday impromptu trade here. And we'll see how Monday goes. Mega Money Mondays, little afternoon power hour session. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace to the Middle East. What do the successful 10% of the people out there have going for them that's different from the others? Community. Hoping and praying is not a strategy. We got people in our community making $10,000 in a day. And I'm just like, we trade without risking our own money. We keep it simple and we trade the market flow.
You can have all the education in the world, but it's not enough.
All these other courses, if you don't get mentoring and guidance on a regular basis, you're going to be a 7 to 10 year journey.
There are so many people in this community that are more than willing and able to help you.